Home Master Whole House 3-stage water filtration system. The cost of a Home Master is 20% of the total cost of an Aquasana home filtration system. With its unique 3-chamber coconut shell, carbon fiber filtration system, and massive filter mountings, this wall-mounted or under-the-sink system allows for the strongest water pressure at up to 15 gallons per minute, or 90 psi. It offers finer filtration, removing dirt and sediment at a higher rate than the bigger competitive filtration systems. Unique size, design, and filters makes it great for a well water or city water system. However, despite the warranty and purification claims, this product is prone to leaking and not trapping all of the important sediment at the first stage of purification. Other consumers found that odors linger in the water after that last stage of filtration. We recommend avoiding the Home Master Whole House 3-stage water filtration system. But here are some pros. 48 pounds, 2-year limited warranty, excellent purification and easy installation, removal of up to 95% of chemicals and contaminants, improved flow rates, oversized filters, reduced maintenance and filter replacement. And here are the cons. Prone to leaks, filter construction causing sediments and particles in water, doesn't remove 100% of odors, notably sulfur. 2-month filter replacement.